The core ideas of our business plan are providing cheap branding solutions to clients and curbing the beggar problem in our city by providing them employment. Our current market is the Tri-City of Chandigarh, Panchkula and Mohali. It is home to lots of small and medium-scale industries. Education is also a big business here. There is a mushrooming growth of coaching centers for all fields and all levels of education. We have also seen an FM radio boom in the city and new channels are opening up. The existing advertising solutions for them and other business ventures are newspapers, local cable channels, radio broadcast, pamphlet distribution and door-to-door marketing. However, fixed billboards, newspaper space and tickers on TV are expensive solutions. On the other hand, face-to-face advertising is low cost and more effective. We will train beggars and unemployed people living in slums. They will be groomed and educated. They will carry posters and hoardings for our customers and distribute pamphlets and promote the product and services. People holding banners will be trained and answer queries and promote products orally. Ad agencies in the city charge exorbitant amounts for basic designing of ads, logos and cards. Students will design ads on contract basis at reasonable rates. Ad agencies charge mainly for their technical know-how in design and don't lay much stress on making innovative and appealing ads. Students have been doing a better job compared to them in designing for their college magazines and cultural fests. New companies or products entering the market can greatly advantage from this sort of outdoor advertising. Events can be publicized too at low costs. Our solution is novel and low cost. There are plenty of open spaces in Sector 17, the central shopping plaza of our Tri-City, which pulls large crowds daily. It is more effective to have people carrying hoardings as compared to fixed ones. Mobile hoardings can be carried wherever the crowds are and will catch the public eye easily. It will also cost less for whatever relevant duration the client wants to have them put up. The other sphere of cost cutting is the designing cost. Our capital requirement for starting this venture is approximately Rs 3 lakh. The initial cost incurred would be registration cost, infrastructure cost, cost of grooming and training the beggars, self-advertisement and wages for beggars. A detailed breakup of the capital required is given in the attachment with our report. That's all. Thank you for providing us this wonderful opportunity and hope we meet in Delhi.